On this week's episode of Monster Exteriors TV, we're going to take you to a back deck rebuild that is enclosed. We're going to build a brand new patio below with drain and a privacy fence attached. Stay tuned. This project totally needs this rebuild. Let's unpack it. Okay, today, guys, we are out in Cartersville, Georgia on a backyard project. These guys have just removed the old floor of the decking and the framing of the old decking. As you can see, the roof is being supported currently, and they are about to start adding in the floor joists inside of this band that they have built in the middle. At the same time, they're going to be digging out below here for the footers for the 6x6 posts, and then once we get it all built up, framed up, we'll pour the concrete for the patio here. So stay tuned, it's going to be a nice one. All right, guys, we are back. Backyard rebuild really. You can see the old roof is still in place. We've got it temporarily propped up, and then they've got the deck floor framing, the radius joist band and floor joists in place. A lot going on right there, and we're gonna pour some concrete in here, bust this thing up. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, we are back. Deck project, Cartersville. You can see the guys have put in the first staircase, and they're going to be putting in 2 staircases. One of us will go down and land on that pad right there, and then underneath here we'll have concrete with the drain. So some of our previous projects, you can see we add the drain, and with this one we're going to have a downspout that's going to come into that drain as well. So all of this is going to be concrete right here. Kind of a lot. You can see now looking up, and then that will be the screened-in porch. The handrails are going together now. All right, stay tuned to the next one. All right, guys, we're back. Another day. Little sprinkles right now. Give you guys an update. This is all going to be concrete right here. Digging out for the drain right here, as you can see. So we're getting ready to bury the drain, put in the concrete, and you can see these guys are still in the middle of it. Pretty cool though. Gotta get some screens in here. See you on the next one. Okay, we're back. Cartersville. Got a good bit done. Kind of getting into the last final stretch here. We got some concrete. Got the drain in. Gotta get ready for concrete by spreading all this out evenly. Checking our form. Then we are working on the screens. got a screen door right here. You can see we kept the old roof connected to the house. We're gonna have to replace that gutter. Bring the downspout on this side down into that drain instead of going right there. So it's a bit opposite. Stay tuned. Get close. Alright guys, we're back. It's our project back deck. Lots happened. You could see we've got it complete. Got it painted. Concrete is in. Got our joints in the concrete. And got the fence put in. All bolted. With the hangers. Drains in. Stairs looking good. So this deck is going to need to be stained in about 4 to 6 months. Once it dries out, it'll need 2 coats. We recommend Super Deck by Sherwin-Williams. But right now, it's done. Thank y'all for watching. Till the next one.